Hi, welcome back. Today we're cooking pork belly burnt ends. Hi, I'm Martin and I'm passionate about cooking outdoors. Hi, so today we're cooking pork belly burnt ends. I'm using a recipe from a book called Seared by Genevieve Taylor. It's going to be a low and slow method, probably about 5 hours total cook all in all. So I've got coffee, I've got my book, what can go wrong? So I've got 1.5 kilo of pork belly. I've cut it into cubes of around about 4 centimetres. It's marinating now, it's been marinating for 24 hours. The marinade itself is fennel seeds, black peppercorns, dark brown sugar, smoked paprika, flaked sea salt, garlic cloves and olive oil. Let's get the Kamado on and we'll get this cooking. Okay, so the Kamado warming up nice now. I think we'll start getting this set up ready for the cook. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get my deflector plates in first. I've actually started covering them in foil now, try and keep them a bit cleaner. I'll get that bit out. Pop in a bit of wood there as well, just to get a bit of smoke. Get the deflector plates in. Get my grills on. And what I'm going to do is set myself up with my Inkbird. 140C at the grill, and that's where we're going to cook our pork. Okay, so the internal temperature at the grill currently is about 130C. So what I'm going to do is, oh dear, get me pork on. I'm going to let this smoke now, low and slow, for about 3 hours. Okay, so we've had our pork belly on there now. It's been cooking now for 3 hours at around about 140C. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to close that so that we keep all the temperature in. And then what we're doing, let's go and get prepared, ready for the next stage. Here, I've made a mix of 100ml of apple juice and 100ml of maple syrup. So we're going to get the pork into here. All the pork in there, that one as well. Let's get this poured over. We'll get all that mixed up, all covered in the maple syrup and the apple juice. Try and get all that down to one level if I can, one layer. Okay, I'm then going to cover this with foil. Oh, it's windy out here. Oh, I'm going to get this covered in foil. Okay, and then we're going to get this back into the Kamado. So we're going to put that back in there now, and I'm going to leave that for about another hour and a half. Okay, so it's been another hour and a half now. We've been cooking the pork now, covered in tin foil, and it's been covered in the maple syrup and the apple juice. So what we're going to do now is open it up and take the foil off. So you can see there it's all lovely and sticky. Let's just get all that all in the juice. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to leave this uncovered for another 30 minutes. And let's get this shut as quick as possible. Okay, so that was another 30 minutes with the foil off. It's been a 5-hour cooking total. So now we're going to have a look at the pork and see where we're at. Well, there we go. Look at that. That is just mouth watering. It's all sticky, but it's tender. That is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So there we have it. Pork belly, burnt ends, cooked for 5 hours.